Welcome. In front of me is a VIVO V70 FE, and today I'll show you how you can boot this device into recovery mode. So, to get started, we'll first need to turn off our device. So let's press power button and volume up, and from there swipe the power off button to the right. Give it a couple of seconds after it turns black, and then hold again power button and volume up. We're going to hold them for a little bit longer, and you want to let go of the power button when you see the Vivo logo. Now this will first take us to the Fastboot mode. In here, using volume down to navigate down, you want to select recovery mode and then confirm it using power button. And here is our recovery mode. And here we have a couple options like install software, clear data, which consists of a wipe cache and factory reset. We have also safe mode and check system, as well as two different options to leave this mode, which I'll be utilizing restart to get back to Android and just confirm it. And as you can see, you can just simply tap on these options, and you don't need to mess around with the volume buttons like we did have to before. And there we go. So if you found this very helpful, then don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.